ay ang mga Ehipsyo na kung tawagin nila ay Nile civilization, samantala ayon ay ang Parfam ang may aklat na Malayang Grandeur and Our Intellectual Revolution and Hyksos Dynasty na kumukubkob ng maghari sa sa Ehipto noong panahon ni Moises ay walang iba kundi ang mga Malayan Easterners. Sila ang tinatawag na Sea People na nakapaglakbay sa Pasipiko at maging saan man dako sa pamamagitan lamang ng mga balsa o maliliit na bangka na kung tawagin ay balangay. Sila ekspertong mandaragat na walang gamit kundi kapirasong layag, sagwan at ang tanging instrumento ay ang pag-ayon sa hangin at pagsunod sa galaw ng buwan at bituin. It was this great race of little brown Malays which, since Neolithic times, ruled Europe, Africa, and Asia, began the civilization of Egypt as under the pyramid pharaohs in 400 BC, the great Sumerian culture and the Tigris Euphrates confluence 6,000 BC, the advanced civilization at the Indus and Ganges, the Aryan India and pre-Mongol China respectively, and finally the Americas, where a distinctly Malay culture had been flourishing for over 12,000 years before the coming of the white man. When Major General G.Z. Forlong wrote his scholarly studies in the science of comparative religions of Asia, elaborating on the far-flowing Malaya empire of the brown race. He wrote his particular of the Indians of Asia, of which the Filipinos were a part. This by far the most important race not only in the Indian seas, but from Africa to Polynesia. From unknown times they have been enterprising seafarers and colonizers in most eastern ports and coasts. They have thrown East Africa above 1,000 years and have even a colony at the Cape of Good Hope that traded everywhere throughout the Madagascar, their Malagasa and Maldives or Maldives. They colonized the Greek islands of Sumatra and adjoining mainland known as the Malacca Peninsula, extending over 700 miles, all the large islands kingdoms of Java, Celebes and their dependencies, and the eponymous extensive Moluccas group. They were in most important people of the India as Alexander found during the 4th and 5th centuries BC. Sa maigsing salita, ganito ang buod ng sinabi ni Ahmad Parpal that the Philippines was better than Europe at the time of Columbus, economically, socially, and intellectually. And as Professor Austin Craig, biographer of Rizal, had quoted President Theodore Roosevelt in his introduction to Curtains, the Mongols stated, in Philippines was perhaps better to Europe. At the time, Columbus, better feed, better clothes, had a higher standard of living and perhaps better and higher average of popular education. Malayan grandeur and our intellectual revolution, na pagkagaling naman ng mga ninunong Malay ng mga Pinoy. Tumpak, sabi nga ni Rizal sa kanyang sinulat na Indolence of the Filipinos. Indolence in the Philippines is a chronic malady, but not a hereditary one. The Filipinos have not always been what themselves but also with all the neighboring countries, and Chinese manuscript of the 13th century translated by the Herc Globus September 1889, which we will pick up at another time, speaks of Chinese relations with the islands, relations purely commercial, which mention is made of the activity and honesty of the traders of Luzon, who took the Chinese products and distributed them throughout all the islands, traveling for 9 months, and they returned to pay religiously even for the merchandise that the Chinamen did not remember to have given them. That the islands maintained relations with neighboring countries and even with the distant ones is proven by the ships from Siam, laden with gold and slaves that Magellan found in Cebu. These ships paid certain duties to the king of the island. In the same year, 1521, the survivors of the Magellan expedition meet the son of the Raja of Luzon, who as Captain General of Sultan of Borneo and Admiral of the his fleet, had conquered for him the great city of Labi, Sarawak. Might this captain, who was greatly feared by all his foes, have been the Raja Matanda, whom the Spaniards afterwards encountered in Tondo in 1570. In 1539, the warriors of Luzon took part in the formidable contest of Sumatra, and under the orders of Anggit City, Timor, Raja of Bathara, conquered and overthrew the terrible Al-Salid, Sultan of Argent, renowned in the historical annals of the Far East. More than history of Sumatra. Ganyan ang mga ninuno ng mga Indyong dinusta ng mga Kastila upang mapasakamay lamang nila ng buong bansa. Winasak ang kaisipan ng matandang kaugalian upang wala nang maalala pa at maipapamana sa mga sumusunod na henerasyon ng mga ninunong Malayan Indio. Ang mga sinaunang gawi, kultura, alamat at saling sabi ay pinurana sa Pinoy upang ang kanilang sibilisasyon ang marahatan sa ating nasyon. Gayon man ang maganap, hindi pa rin nila lubusan na wasak ang pamanang yaman ng Pinoy. Bukod sa historiografiya o kabala, may mahiwagang tanglaw ang Pilipinas na magpahanggang ngayon ay sumisikat at umiilaw sa mga Pilipino, lalo na sa mga Samarino.
Okay. Mataas-taas din ang basa ni Bae Dinagat sa atong history ni Dr. Jose Rizal. Lupa ng araw. Tuklas Talib ni Rizal. So dito po natin ang kwento dito nato isubay ang istorya dinhi isubay sa dokumento og ang roster. Mao na ang atong bandila. So mao ni ato ang daghan pa na mga history kay hanggang alas 10 raman ta kutob ihatag sa Amahan sa Langit. Noon top alas 10. Nakuman. Na-insakto po. Thank you, Lord. Kaya, good job.
Thank you very much.
Dito pa,
Alpha Omega.
Alpha Omega. Dito wagayway ang bukang liwayway sa cemetery, Memorial Cemetery. Dab is dab ang ating batas. Kasi divine government is dab yan. Kaya nakikinig sa atin ang mga kaluluwa, ang mga kalag na nangamatay, may lumilipad.
Tulo?
Dagdag talagang.
Duha ang itom unya usa agila.
Picture nimo?
Kuha nimo.
Wala. Nagkuha man, record man. No, no.
Record man.
Natugpa ng kahoy. Duhang itom.
Naana unta dayon nimo ni sundan.
Oo,
Tino
nagay.
man-
Ano, ganun, ibot man, padoon dire di dahil. Duha itom, isang agila.
Pag binabasa ko,
Tulo na.
may narinig akong
Kain dirito,
Oh.
tingog.
Nagtingog. Duha ang itom, usang agila.
nasa tilay tayo.
Pinatog ikaw to na tingog.
Hindi, na sila.
Nandagay yung nagdungog yun.
Tulo.
Pero nadungog diha.
Oh.
Oh.
Ala, sagap man.
Sound niyo.
Likod.
Ina.
Oh.
Libot.
Ito.
So, kita ani iko ra man tag gisugo sa Ginoo, the instrument ang human being ang atong body.
Ada, nagkahoy, nagapundo ng kahoy.
So ni ata dinhi nabulgar ang lihim ni
Duha
Gato
itom,
Rizal.
sa agila.
Kasi
Grabe
nung
yun.
pumunta ako sa Araw City, ito ang sumalubong sa akin sa Araw.
Yung kasulat yun.
Naagid.
Ito.
Na,
Kaya kita
so,
basta-basta.
ang nag-angkin-angkin ay mga Indian, which is hindi talaga Indian. Nag-angkin-angkin European, pero which is he's not European.
Walay na duda.
So, sa Pilipino talaga. So, tinapos
Si
ni
mama
Rizal.
na lang ang mag
Kasi wala talaga nakapagsabi talaga ng katotohanan. Kundi ang
History.